Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are having a great day today. So in this video, we're going to be going over my Walgreens haul. I had a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster that I needed to use up really quickly. So I have this super simple, free, and easy pickup order that you can do right now. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this Walgreens haul. Now, y'all bear with me. I know that it's like really shadowy over here and really bright over here. I am working on a new setup so that we'll have something new and fresh going into the next year. So just bear with me on that. Now, the second thing is, I had a spend booster. I had spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And I have to give credit to this haul to GME coupons. I always want to say give me coupons. Give me coupons. Maybe that's what it means. I'm not sure, but it's Gabby over at GME coupons. She's on Instagram and she's also on YouTube. So go follow her on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube for me because she really saved me this week. Saved our Walgreens haul video because I really ran out of time to go through the individual deals like I normally would. So she came up with this scenario. Props to her. Thank you so much. You saved me, girl. All right. I love it when couponers can come together and just, help each other out. So anyways, like I said, I was starting off with a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. It was Wednesday. I was running out of time. I was like, what am I going to do? And I spotted this deal on Instagram. So I thought I'm going to throw it together and we're going to see what happens, right? Well, you know me, we gotta have a little bit of fun here, a little bit of excitement. So what happened was Wednesday, I put in my pickup order. I thought everything was good to go. And I go Thursday morning to pick up my pickup order and it's, I'm looking at my screen and I'm thinking, this isn't right. This isn't right. And what had happened was when I put in the Oral-B toothbrushes, they only had one in stock at this store for the soft Oral-B Vivid Whitening toothbrushes. So I think it just kicked one of them off and I was thinking, oh my gosh, what do I do? Do I cancel the order? Do I, ask the employees to just add a medium toothbrush to the order? What do I do? So I just got to the store. I asked the employees, is there any way that we could just add something to the pickup order? They said no, that they couldn't do that. So I said, you know what? I'll just cancel it and then I can just start all over. Because in my original pickup order, I had actually picked up the wrong soft soap anyways. I had picked up the $2.99 bottles instead of the $1.99 bottles. So there was another little issue that I needed to fix. And, that was fine. So just a couple of little things that I needed to fix. So what the employees told me, which I'm not sure is true or not, but I know that there's a few seasoned Walgreens couponers that watch my videos. So please let me know down in the comment section if in this scenario, say I put in a pickup order and something happens and the customer, needs to cancel the order. If I cancel it from my phone, do I get to keep my coupons? Because in my mind, I'm thinking that would just make sense. If you cancel the order, nothing was completed. Maybe, I'm not sure because I do pay with a card just through the app. So you guys let me know, would I lose my coupons if I canceled my pickup order from my phone? Because the employees told me that they had another couponer came in with a pickup order. She canceled it from her phone and just thought she was going to redo her order in store. And it turned out that she had lost all of her coupons and they just had to manually put in all of that information at the register. Now, I'm not sure if that was just kind of like a fluke thing or what happened. But you guys let me know if there's anybody out there that knows that. But they did say, you know what, we can cancel it for you and maybe we'll see if the coupons stay on your account. Maybe it'll stay that way. So that's what they ended up doing. They canceled the order in store from their little machine and all of my coupons stayed on my account. So there's the little debacle that I went through yesterday for this pickup order. So I went and swapped out my couple little things there, and as I was doing that, I noticed that there was a ton of clearance items, shampoo, conditioner, styling products, and I mean really high dollar stuff, okay? So if you are in Walgreens this week, if you plan on going, today, tomorrow, putting in a pickup order, definitely swing by and, go through the aisles real quick and look for those yellow stickers. And you may even want to grab a couple things that I'm going to show you some pictures at the end of the video. And if you see some of those items, you may want to grab them and take them up to the register and have them price check it for you. So here's the one thing that I did find that I picked up. There were some really good deals, but we didn't have coupons for all of them. And the ones that we did have coupons on, they were already gone. So I did find this Refresh Scalp Care. They only had one. I wish that they would have had two because we have some high value coupons for these. This was on clearance for $3.99. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So that left me paying just 99 cents. And we also have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. So if you see these, definitely snag them up and use those digital coupons. 99 cents for this nice, what is this? Shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo. Awesome little deal. So I can't wait to try out that new product. And we'll go ahead and jump into this spend deal. First up, we have the Garnier Fructis deal. This is on promotion this week. Get back a $5 register reward when you spend $10. These are on sale 2 for $7. And then I was kind of worried. I was like, well, is this third one going to ring up at full price, or will it ring up at half off at $3.50? And it in fact did ring up at $3.50. Now, if you do this deal online, they're a little bit cheaper, just a couple of cents. So if you pick up 3 in store, that's going to put you at $10.50. If you do it online, they are $3.49 each. So that would be $10.47. So you get back a $5 register reward. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $7.47 if you do it online as a pickup order. If you do it in store, that's going to be $7.50. Like I said, you'll get back that $5 register reward. That's going to make your final price $2.47 if you do it online. If you do it in store, it'll be $2.50 for all 3 products. I thought that was a pretty good little deal there. And let's see here. Next up, we're just going to go down my little notebook here. We have the soft soap. These are on promotion this week. When you buy 4, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. And these are on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. So these were $1.99. These are the 7.5 ounce bottles. So $1.99, buy 1, get 1 half off. If you pick up 4, that's going to put you at $5.96. Now these were the same price in store and online, so that doesn't really make a big difference there. We have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $5.21 out of pocket. You're going to get back that $4 register reward. Final price, $1.21. So I thought that was a really good deal, a little over $0.25 a piece. Next up, we have our toothpaste deal back here. Colgate. So these are $3.99. You want to pick up 4 of them. That's going to put you at $15.96. You're going to get back $8 in Walgreens cash when you buy 4. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. So that leaves you paying $8.96. And you're going to get back that $8 in Walgreens cash. That makes your final price 96 cents. So I thought that was a really good little deal too. Next up, we have the Crest and Oral-B products. Now, there are different ones that you can mix and match. I think on GME's Gimme Coupons, I think on her scenario, she picked up one of the $3 Crest with Scope mouthwashes and one of the Oral-B toothbrushes. My store did not have the $3 mouthwash, so I just ended up picking up the 2 Oral-B toothbrushes. So these are $3 each this week on sale, and you get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $3. You're going to get back a $3 register reward. That makes your final price completely free. So that's awesome. All right, we got some toothbrushes to go with our toothpaste now. All right, next up we have Palm Olive. This is 8 fluid ounces. These are 99 cents. We have a 50-cent off digital coupon, so that leaves you paying 49 cents for this. And back here we have All liquid laundry detergent. What is that? 26 loads, 40 fluid ounces. These are $2.99. We have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, so that leaves you paying $1.74. All right, guys, so looking over my little notes here, like I said, I had a spend 20, get back $5 on Walgreens Cash digital booster. Here is the Garnier deal. Like I said, those would be $3.50 each in store, but online they're $3.49 each. So there's your final price on that, $2.47, or it would be $2.50 in store. I did get my, where'd it go? $5 register reward back for that deal. That is a store coupon, so I'm still working on trying to figure out what to do with these store coupons, but I'm really going to do my homework in the next couple of weeks. All right, next up we have our soft soap deal right there. Buy one get one half off, $4 register reward right here. So to get that back, and that is a manufacturer coupon. Compliments of Colgate and Palm Olive. Next up, we have the Colgate deal. I did receive $8 in Walgreens cash. We have Crest. There's the Crest deal. Makes it completely free. So there's that $3 register reward right there. And down here at the bottom, we have All in the Palm Olive deal. Now, if you do this as a pickup order, use code FAST10, and that will take off $1 and some change, I'm pretty sure. So that'll make it a little bit cheaper, okay? And then I also received this 20% off your, earn 20% off your next $10 or more purchase of a regular priced item store-wide. Still haven't figured out how to use these little bad boys, but I promise you, just give me some time and I'll figure it out. All right, so we're going to take a look here at what my final totals are. Subtotal was $42.40 after coupons. That brought me down to $25.90. I redeemed $5 in Walgreens cash, and I think I probably could have redeemed more had I sat down and thought about it, thought it through, because manufacturer coupons count as cash pretty much, right? Is that correct? I'm thinking so. But anyways, I just kept it on the safe side. I redeemed $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $20.90 out of pocket. I received $25 total in rewards. That's all of my register rewards and Walgreens cash back. I think it was $13. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you. $13.37. So $25 in rewards with that spend booster. Final price free plus a $4.10 moneymaker, depending on how you look at it, or 90 cents for 15 items, or just 6 cents each. So that is an awesome deal. Super simple and easy. Just make sure you pay attention when you're putting in your pickup order, and pay attention to make sure that the store actually has the items in stock, because I'm pretty sure that that's what happened. They only had one of these soft Oral-B toothbrushes in stock, so it kicked one of those off. But other than that, I think this was a great haul. Super simple and easy. And again, big shout out and thank you to GME Coupons. I want to say give me coupons. I'm gonna have to message her and ask her, is it like give me coupons? How do I say this? But anyways, you guys go follow her on Instagram and subscribe. All right, guys, so now we're just going to scroll through here and check out these pictures of clearance items that I found at my store. Like I said, if you see any of these at your store, you can always take them up to the register and have them price checked to see if they're clearanced down at your store. They may be clearancing down and just not tagged yet, so just be on the lookout. Then we've got some Suave products. I don't think we have any coupons for those as of right now, but we should be getting some here in the next couple of weeks. Then we have some Shea Moisture. We may have a digital coupon for that, in fact. That was $11 all the way down to $5, so pretty good little deal there. And next up, we've got John Frieda at $6.29. That's half off. That's a pretty big savings. There's another one for $4.89. Pretty good little deals. We've got Not Your Mother's at $3.19. That's half off. So these are all like 50% off. There's another one half off at $4.49. We have Pantene at $3.99. I forgot my insert coupons at home and I was like, oh man, that would have been a great deal. We've got Tresemme here for $5 and $4. Those were $7, it looks like. Then we have Herbal Essences. Somebody had already snagged most of them, but they were at $3.69. We have Aveeno at $4.29, so that's half off. There's some more Aveeno products at half off. It looks like those were $8.49 to start with, down to $4.29. And last but not least, we have Maui at $4.99. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I do want to thank you guys so much for watching these Walgreens haul videos. I've been doing Dollar General for so long now, I wasn't sure if my DG audience would also want to watch Walgreens videos or not, so I was a little bit nervous about it, but I am so thankful and so grateful for you guys clicking on this video and leaving comments and giving it a thumbs up and all those little things. It really does mean so much to me, and even if I don't get to reply, you know, the same day or in the next couple of days, I do read every single comment, so I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And with that being said, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know you want to be a crazy couponer, and we would love to have you in our crazy couponing family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know love hearing from you. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.